Hi everybody, it's Saturday, September 7th. These are the 3 beehives in our backyard. A couple weeks ago, we removed the top honey super levels where honey is collected from. So each of the 3 hives now only has the bottom 2 levels so that the bees will make any remaining honey in these 2 portions for their own consumption during the winter months, which they will obviously need. So again, hives look very healthy heading into the autumn and of course into the winter. So let's take a little bit closer look at them. The gold flashes that you can hopefully see are the bees going in and out of the hives. And they're just on their glide path. There's the 3rd hive. We can go in and take a little bit closer look at one of them. Still very active, as you can see. They're still bringing back some pollen from, remaining flowers. So again, that's our 3 hives, looking very good heading into the autumn.